How to view the table data. In this lesson, we are going to discuss select statement to view the data from a table. It is used to retrieve one or more columns of data from a table. The basic syntax of select statement is... Let's analyze the syntax. Here, select is the key word to extract data from the given table. Column list denotes the columns to be retrieved from the table. From is a clause which tells the table name that you are going to extract the data. Let's take a look at this conceptual picture. In this figure, the query selects the particular value from the database table and displays the executed table value in the result pane. Let's have a look at the example of select statement. Now we are going to retrieve the columns, namely first name and last name, from the employee table. Type this select statement in the query editor window. Let's execute the statement. Now see the output. Here you can see the result of columns from the employee table. If we want to select all the columns from a table, we have to use the asterisk sign instead of specifying a column list, like this. Here, asterisk denotes all columns. For example, type this select query. When you're done, press the F5 shortcut key. Now see the results. This statement selects all columns from the table employee. Now we will see the select statement with the keyword distinct. The distinct keyword is used to return only distinct, that is, non-duplicate values. This is the syntax. Let's see how to use the distinct keyword. Here is the table which contains the repeated rows. If we want to avoid these repeated rows in our output, we need to type the select statement with the distinct keyword like this. Now you can see all distinct values from the table. In this lesson, we have discussed very briefly about the select statement. Changing the structure of a table. In the last few lessons, we looked at how to add, change, and update rows in a table with insert and update commands. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to add, change, modify, and delete columns in a table's definition by using SQL's alter table command. Alter table commands are known as data definition (DDL) commands because they change the definition of a table. First, we will see the method of adding a column to a table. We can add columns to a table using the alter table command. The general syntax for adding a column to a table is alter table, table name, add, column name, type. In this syntax, add specifies that we are going to add a new column to the table. For example, if we want to add a column called bonus, a small money column, to the employee table, the alter table statement would be typed as alter table employee add bonus small money. Let's execute this statement. This command alters the table definition of the employee table and adds a new column, bonus, as a type, small money. When columns are added to existing tables, they will initially contain null values. Data may be added to the new column using the update command. Now we will see the method to change a column's data type in a table. In SQL Server 2005, we can change a column's data type with existing data in it, so that the new column data type will accommodate the existing data. The general syntax for changing a column's data type in a table is alter table, table name, alter column, column name, new type. For example, if we want to change the data type of the bonus column from small money to float, we should type the statement alter table employee alter column bonus float and execute it. This query would produce the table definition of the employee table and change the data type of the column's bonus. Finally, we will see the method of deleting a column from a table. The general syntax for deleting a column from a table is alter table table name drop column column name. Here we will see the statement to delete the column called bonus from the employee table. Alter table employee column bonus. This query produces the definition of the employee table like this. We will discuss a few more uses of the alter table command in upcoming lessons. How to change the existing data in a table. In this lesson, we will see another common statement used for changing the data values in a table. This is the update statement. This statement is used to change the existing data in the table. Before witnessing the use of this command, we will see the general syntax for an update command. The general format for the update statement is update table name set field name equals value. Here, update is a key word. Table name specifies the name of the table where we are going to perform the update operation. Set is a keyword that changes the value of the existing table. Here, if we want to set all salaries in the table EMP2 to 0, we must give the update statement as update EMP2 set sal equals 0. Let's execute this statement. Now we have successfully changed the value of the salary column to 0. We can see the changes made on the table by selecting rows from that table. We can also include a where clause in the update command, so that the values are set selectively. For example, if we assume that employee numbers are unique, we can update a specific employee from the employee table with the where clause in the select statement. Look at this statement. Update employee set salary equals 0 where employee number equals 101. This query produces the output like this. Here we have updated only the employee number 101, so only one row is updated. Once again, note that we do not use quotes around 101 since employee number is defined as an int column, a numeric column. Quotes would have to be used around any character or string columns. I hope this lesson gives you an idea about the update command. The delete and drop command. Now we will see the delete command to remove all rows of a table. This command is used to delete multiple rows, so one must be careful when using it. Let's see the general syntax of the delete command. Delete from table where condition. In this syntax, condition determines which rows of the table will be deleted. As we discussed earlier, if no where condition is used, then all the rows of the table will be deleted. Here is the statement, which shows the use of the delete command in our original employee table. Delete from employee where salary less than 1,500. Let's execute this statement. Here we have deleted the row from the table employee whose salary is less than 1,500. We can see the changes made by selecting rows from the table. Now we are going to see the command to drop the table. Earlier we have seen the command to delete the rows from the table, but now we will see the method to drop an entire table. Here is the basic syntax. Drop table is used to delete the corresponding table. Table name is the name of the created table. See this statement. Here we have written a drop table statement to drop a table EMP1. Press the F5 shortcut key to execute the statement. Now the table is deleted and the confirmation is displayed. You may check if you wish to see if the table is deleted or not by selecting rows from the table. Here is an error message which shows as an invalid object name EMP1. I hope you're now all familiar with deleting and dropping a table from a database.